Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your Windows 11 PC. Now the first thing you need to do is connect your iPhone to Windows 11 with a USB-C cable. Okay, so you need to unlock your iPhone and trust the computer to access your iPhone. Go and enable everything, allow everything. Now you open up Microsoft Photos, okay, from the start menu and select your iPhone device from external devices tab on the left sidebar. So the videos and photos from your iPhone will start loading in the right panel, so you can easily go ahead and check the photos and videos you want to import. Okay, select all of them and then come here at the top right and click the import button right here, and you'll see, what folder. Okay, you need to choose a destination to save the transferred photos from your iPhone to Windows 11. And once you've selected that, go ahead and just click on import. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gamar.